Good morning, children. And will be doing today our exercise 1B. Exercise 1B. Now, children, the first question that we have is find a product. Find a product. And in this, we have first one 11 into 6. So 11 into 6 is your 66. Simply, you will be multiplying the numbers. Similarly, in the second one, you have 6 into minus of 7. So 6 into 7 is 42, but 7 has a negative sign here. So it will be minus 42. We can look into the eighth one, children. The question is minus 5 multiplied by minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. So children, here minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 1. So we will start from here. Minus 5 into minus 4 is 20. 5 4s are 20. But this minus minus sign will become positive. So 20 into this minus 3 into minus 2 will become 6. But minus minus will become plus 6. And this minus 1 will be minus 1. So our end result will be with minus, and 20 into 6 is 120. So this the answer is minus 120. Now children, in question number 2, we will be verifying the LHS and RHS that they are equal or not. So in question number 2 we will be looking into the second part. So 20 minus 20 into minus 7 plus minus 11 equal to minus 20 into minus 7 plus minus 20 into minus 11. Okay, children. So, what are we doing here, children? We'll be trying to check is this LHS is equal to RHS. So, children, here minus 20 will be multiplying this with later, but here we'll be first we will solve this. So minus 7 and minus 11 both are negative, so they will add, but they have a negative sign. So 11 minus 7 will become minus 18, and in this side we have minus 20 into minus 7. So minus 20 into minus minus will become plus, and it will become 140, plus here this minus minus will also become positive, and 11 into 20 is 220. Okay, this side, children, here this minus into minus will become plus, and we will have 18 into 2 is 36, so it will be 360. And this side here, if we add these two, this will be 220 plus 140 will also be 360. So children, LH equals to RHS. So this is verified. That means this equation is correct. That means this side is equal to this side. Now children, in the third part, third question, we have find the value of x that makes the statement true. So that means we have in the first part 6 minus x equals to minus 24. So what can we put here in the value of x so that we can get minus 24? So we can put here 6 into, instead of x we can put minus 4. So 6 into 4 is 24, but with negative sign it will become minus 24. Children, we can look into the third part. what do we have here? Minus of x minus 3 equals to 12. So children, here we have 12, which is positive. So here minus minus will become positive, okay. But what do we have to put here? We have to put 4. So minus 4 into minus 3 will become 12. 4 into 3, 12. Minus minus will become plus. Okay children, the fourth part we have is minus of x minus 8 equals to minus 24. So children, minus of x minus 8 equals to minus 24. So children, minus minus will become plus, but we need minus here. So we will put minus 3 here. And what will happen? This minus minus will become plus, and then plus minus will become again minus. So this will be equal to minus 24. Now children, the sixth part we have 20 minus x equals to 100. So what can we put here instead of minus x? This x. So minus of minus 5. So this minus minus will become plus, and 20 into 5 is 100. Okay children. Now question number 4 children. Answer true or false for the following. The first we have the product of two integers is always greater than both the integers. It's not true. Product of two integers, in this case if we multiply 1 into 2, we have 2. So our result is 2. Our initial integers were 1 and 2. Is 2 greater than 2 here? Our initial integers? No. So product of two integers is always greater than both the integers. This is false. The product of integers is commutative. Yes, it is commutative. It is always commutative. Uh, so it will be true. Minus 1 is the multiplicative identity of integers. No children, minus 1 is not the multiplicative identity of integers. 1 is the multiplicative identity, because if you multiply a number with 1, if you multiply an integer with 1, it will always give us our original number. Now children, in the fourth part we have a into b minus c equals to a into b minus a into c for all integers a, b, c, where b not equals to 0. This is absolutely correct children, so it will be true. In the fifth part children, the successor of 0 into minus 8 is 1 into minus 8. So what was successor? The number, for example 19, so the successor of 19 is 20 if we add 1 to the number. So the successor of 0 into minus 8 is 1 into minus 8. No children, this is not true. The successor of minus 8 will be, if the successor of 8 is 9, what will come after minus 8? It will come minus 7. So children, this is false. Now children, question number 5. Divya has 60 rupees in her wallet. Each day she takes out 5 rupees. What integer represents a change in the number of rupees in her wallet over 6 days? So she has 60 rupees in her wallet and she takes out rupees 5. What integer represents the change in the number of rupees in her wallet over 6 days? So over 6 days she took out 5 rupees. So 6 into 5 equals to 30. So her initial rupees were 60. Now after 6 days she has spent 30 rupees. So 60 minus 30, we have 30. So 30 is the amount of money she has left in her wallet. Now children, next question. A female Asiatic black bear weighs about 110 kg before hibernation. Okay, so this is an animal. A female Asiatic black bear weighs about 110 kg before hibernation. She loses 2 kg per month during its 6 month of hibernation. Write a multiple expression with integers. How much does she weigh after hibernation? So children, her initial weight is 110 kg and she goes into hibernation for how many months? 6 months. And in every month she will lose about 2 kg. So she goes for 6 months hibernation. She is losing 2 kgs per month. So the total amount of weight lost will be 12 kg. So children, the question is, how much does she weigh after her hibernation? So 110 minus 12, and you will get the answer. It will be 98 kgs. Now children, question number 8 and 9 are the MCQ, and you will doing these questions for your homework. If you have a doubt, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you children.